Hello everyone, and today we are making some brownies. So my dad went to the store today and he bought some Bosh Bangin Brownie mix, and it's vegan friendly. And you might be thinking, this is cheating. I don't know how to make it. You're just adding something into another something, crossed with another something, then putting it into something, then doing something on the something, and then pulling it out. And what does it become? Something. And so, I want to include vegan chocolate chips.
Hold on, Blue Teddy. This isn't like a normal Rocksox cooking video. He's not doing it all himself.
Let's watch a bit more. The boss says we should be eating more plants, so vegan sounds good. And it's got the added bonus of chocolate.
But I'm just doing this to do like a little taste test. So the brownie I made in the previous video, I have that, and I also have this, and so me and my delightful sister Emma, so we're going to be blindfolded, and we're going to sit at the table, and we're going to have a plate, and my dad, who's working behind the camera, say hi to the people, Dad.
Hello. Okay.
And my dad's going to be passing us different little chunks of each one, and we need to try and guess which is which. There's going to be another video on that, so stay tuned, because I think that it's going to be a lot of fun. And so let's get into it. All you need is this mix, and you also need some 105 milliliters of water and 70 milliliters of vegetable oil. So first you want to preheat the oven to 180 degrees, or 160 for a fan oven, which I have, or gas mark full. So I'm just gonna do that. So I'm just gonna empty the brownie mix into a mixing bowl. Why is this packaging? This is going to turn into a rage video pretty quick. Dab it. So put it into a okey-dokey. So
Was there anything else in the box at all? Or was that it?
That was it.
Oh.
Except from a big rage.
I thought you said there was some chocolate things, some chocolate tops.
Oh, vegan chocolate chips.
Ah.
Vegan! Try not to eat them.
No, come on, bring them back.
Yeah. And here's the whisk. So, in goes the water, and that instantly looks unappetizing. And in goes the oil. Thank goodness I don't have to knead this thing. So I'm just gonna whisk it until it's a nice creamy batter. So I don't think we'll have to wait that long now. It's starting to come together already. Come on over here. It's starting to become creamy. Okay, so I've mixed until it's a smooth, satisfying, creamy batter. And so now I'm just going to plop in the chocolate chips. There. And I know when you get the actual brownie mix, you're going to be saying something in the comments like, Josh, you're meant to put it on the You're meant to load the batter in the tin and put the chocolate chips on top. but I think that it should actually be inside, because for the unsuspecting victims, I mean customers, just kidding, it's going to be delicious. So the people who think that, oh, it's just a regular chocolate brownie, there's definitely not chocolate chips inside, then they just go, oh, chocolate chips? I never knew there would be chocolate chips inside of a chocolate chip brownie. So I'm just gonna mixy. Okay, so now that I've put in the smooth, creamy, satisfying batter, you should put this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so that's just been cooking for 15 minutes. And so now I'm going to get them out. So now I'm going to get it out. Boy, that looks honestly a lot better than the other one. I'm just going to put this down real quick. Yeah. And now I'm just going to, well, leave it to cool. And I'll see you when that's done, okay? Okay, so once you've left them out for about 15 minutes or so, then you should be left with a delicious looking set of brownies. And when you compare them to the other brownies which I made 2 weeks ago, the ones which aren't vegan, the other ones which I made, they seem a lot more puffy, you know? Puffy. No puffy. Puffy. No puffy. Puffy. No puffy. Puffy. No puffy. Here. Puffy. Fun. And hopefully I've inspired you to make a delicious recipe on your own or follow one of my recipes. And I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, show my channel some love, show my other channels some love. See you in the next one. Goodbye!
Back in a minute.
Cream Teddy, what are you up to?
We're doing a taste test. Can you see anything?
Oh, no, I can't see anything at all, but isn't a taste test in the next video, Cream Teddy?
Oh.
Cream Teddy, I can't see anything. Cream Teddy?